today's video. Happy Teacher's Day, everybody! Sa lahat po ng teacher all over the world, Happy Teacher's Day. So, for today's video, guys, i-share ko lang po yung mga na-receive ko po sa nabigay sa akin ng mga pupils ko, guys. So, first, may mga cards. So, later natin babasahin. So, ito guys, binigyan ako guys nito ni Harley with chiffon cake. Ito guys, so thank you Harley, you're so sweet. So, next, brownies. So, si Sakari naman to guys. Siya yung nagbigay. Okay na natin. Yan, brownies. So, 6 siya. I love you very much. Diba? Sarap. So, next. Si Princess. Strawberry chocolate. Thank you, Princess. Next naman, si Ma'am Jean. Thank you, Ma'am Jean. I really appreciate it. And then, si Sir Mel, binigyan din ako ng chocolate. Share your blessing. Thank you po. And then, si Gillian, binigyan ako ng 1 rose. With matching cake. Tingnan natin siya. Nakagay dito, thank you for being the guiding light that help us grow and learn each day. Happy Teacher's Day. Open na natin siya. Wow! Ang cute! Happy World Teacher's Day. With my favorite color pa siya, guys. Thank you, Gillian. So, basahin na natin yung unang Happy Teacher's Day. So, galing siya kay... Sino to? Wala siyang name eh. For you... For teacher. Hello, teacher. Thank you for teaching me every day. Yun yung sabi dito. And then also, for teacher Ann, thank you for teaching me. And Ashford, if you mad, we still love you. Thank you kay Amara siya, guys. So, ito naman, para lang to kay teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Ito ay galing kay Gerald. So, para sa'yo, teacher, may masasabihin ako sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagtuturo sa amin. Kahit may ubo ka, pumapasok ka pa rin. Kahit magkulit kami, nagpapasalamat ako, teacher. Okay, thank you, Gerald. So, Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Ann. Okay, ito naman ay galing kay Anushka. Happy Teacher's Day. So, ito guys, dinrawing ako ng isang student. Diba? So, talented siya. So, next. Ito naman ay galing kay Brian. So, thanks for helping and I love you, teacher, and helping for my lunch. Brian, Happy Teacher's Day. So, galing kay Sophia, Happy Teacher's Day. Okay, teacher, me and teacher, love teacher. To teacher, you're the best teacher, kahit konti lang, natututunan, kahit kaunti lang, natuto na ka, at least may matuto ako sa iyo. At 4 months na lang tayo magsasama, Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for everything, kahit konti, may natutunan ako sa iyo. The best ka teacher ever ko na you have na Happy Teacher's Day. Happy face. Talaga to si Sophia. So, itong isa ay for sure kay Lian to. Dear Teacher Ann, thank you for teaching me every day. You make me smart. You make me smart. Okay. Thank you, Liam. So, ito naman ay kay Open. The best. Okay, ang arts niya. I don't believe that I just got a teacher like this, a great old teacher. Next page. She's kind and teaches properly, always say teacher. So, parang kilala ko na to. Okay, Hans. So, this one naman is Happy Teacher's Day for you po. Happy Teacher's Ann. Okay, salamat sa pagtuturo sa amin ng mabuting asal. I love you, teacher. Maganda ka po. Okay, thank you. So, ito guys, kay Atalia. Happy Teacher's Day. I just wanna say thank you for everything you teach me. Please forgive me for being makulit. You worth everything for me. I love you as a student. Thank you again. Happy Teacher's Day, teacher. Yun. This one naman is nakalagay. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. Ito naman kay Ashford. Happy Teacher's Day from Ashford. Open. Get. Lapis na. Teacher Ann, you are the best. The best teacher I ever met. And you're so kind. So I made this for you. Happy Teacher's Day. I hope you're happy. So I'm very happy, Ashford. Thank you for the greetings. Okay, this one naman is for Ashford. Kay Zoe. Masyado si Zoe artistic. So this one na. Happy Teacher's Day. Dami niyang sobre. Teacher Ann, thank you to teach us to how study. I know you are mad, but we still love you. Akala niya lagi akong galit. Ganun lang talaga. Kamo naisip na mataray ako. Hindi ako mataray. Kasi very noisy talaga. Sobrang kukulit nila, guys. Teacher, Happy Teacher's Day. Ito ay kay Seb. Kasi magaling ka magturo, teacher. Ikaw ang favorite kong teacher. So, thank you, Seb. So, thank you. Great generosity. So, kahit na may ubo si teacher, or may sakit si teacher, hindi si teacher mag-a-absent kasi love ko kayo. Kayo yung first advisory class ko. Thank you sa letter. I'm very happy. Punong-puno yung puso ko. So, thank you! Nakaka-touch naman yung mga card. Appreciate ko sobra. Grabe yung cards. Tatago to ni teacher. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog, guys. God bless you all. Bye!
I got so much fucking design on right now. Bring it down, 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 bring it down,